Alright, what's up, guys? So today we'll be zooming in on Carlos's fucking double chin.
Fuck up, bitch.
What's going on, fam? We're out here. Today's video is gonna be a little short, but I've been trying to upload, but I can't because I work a lot and the hour change, so it gets really dark fast. And today's video is gonna be in the dark. You know, we're going to the track. We're gonna go with my friends. We're gonna go with my friend to the Adams track, and he's gonna be drifting his IS. I'm gonna be a ride along. Also, I have something for you guys. You guys been waiting for this. But besides that, I need you guys to tell me if you guys want to watch something on my channel. You guys want me to do anything on my channel? I'm more than willing to help you guys or show you guys anything. Besides that, thank you for all the subscribes. Thank you for all the shout outs, the likes, especially the likes. I really need you guys to comment and let me know what you guys want or need help in. And if you guys want stickers, let me know. I have plenty of stickers. I have hundreds of stickers. All right, so hopefully I can't take it out because it was raining. This is my workbench. I already have a bunch of stuff on it, but this is it right here. You guys been waiting for this for the longest. I finally picked up my motor. It's in here. I can't take it out because you know it might rain again and I don't want it to get wet, so I have it all bagged up on the stand. As you guys can see, my little turbo is in there, and here's my motor. It's all finally rebuilt. All I need is to buy a couple, let's say, motor mounts and little hoses and little gaskets, but that should be it. And the go-kart will be up and running as well. Hopefully next week I don't work as much, so I can provide like at least 3 videos next week. But besides that, like I said, if you guys want a free sticker, let me know. I don't think I have anything else to let you guys know about my channel, but that should be it. Also, we're about to head to the track right now. I gotta go to meet up with my friend, and I'll see you guys there. I'm gonna start the video there, and I'll introduce you guys. To him. He's a pretty cool guy. Make sure you guys check his channel out. I'm also gonna put that in the description below. And that should be it. We'll talk about his build once we get there. It's gonna be a dark video. It's not that much light there, so we'll see how it goes. And I'll see you guys there, and let's go. All right, so we made it to the track. Let me show you guys how it looks from out here. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. What's up, dude?
What up?
All right, so this is Daniel's car. We're gonna get this all going right now. I'm gonna have him talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on. I do know it was a manual swap, so let's see what he tells us. Hey, so what's up? What do you got going on with your car? What is it? What have you done?
Just did the 5-speed swap right now. It's got an R154 in it, and I did basically everything this week. From the pedals, I actually had to extend the shifter, so I did a bunch of fab work and stuff, welding, just to make it work. Let me show you the. See, it's all hot boy right now. Got a shirt in there right now because I don't have a boot. But yeah, ship's good. I just drove it from the shop right now. It's actually I've only driven the car with the swap maybe about an hour now. Yeah. So this is actually going to be the shakedown right now. So I'm pretty excited about that.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to get this going. You guys heard the man. He's only driven about an hour. And an hour from this swap that he's done. So we're going to see how this goes. I don't know if it's a budget build or not, but for me, it's looking pretty fresh. And we're just waiting on this first session to finish. And that guy just spun out. But we're waiting on this first session to finish. Once it finishes, we'll go ahead and get on that track view. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Give it that Daniel. Spanish sponsorship.
We got all the guys over here putting their slaps on the car.
Sweet. Right here, perfect. You can see we're out here. We're still waiting. That was a little preview of the track. Those little two cars. So we're just waiting real quick. Whoops. Alright guys, we're out. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, we're out. I'm pretty tired. I gotta get out of here. I got work tomorrow. But on the good side, we got a couple runs, a couple laps. They shut down because somebody broke down on the track, and I guess somebody busted an oil line on the track as well. So I think that's it for today. Either way, I gotta go home and get ready for tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you guys want a free sticker, go ahead and let me know. All right, peace out.